Hello and welcome to I.S.I classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for I.S.I entrances. So let's see what is in this question. Here we have to prove by induction or otherwise that the integration results in is equals to pi by 2 for all integer n is greater than equals to 0. Here the integration is 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1x divided by sine x equals to sine x dx equals to pi by 2. So let's try to solve this problem. By induction we can solve this problem. Okay. Now for n equals to 0, this is trivial. This is trivially true. And let this is true for n equals to k. Okay. Now for n equals to k plus 1, for n equals to k plus 1, we have integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2k plus 3x divided by sine x dx is equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2k plus 1x plus 2x whole divided by sine x. Okay. Now we expand this portion, therefore we get integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2k plus 1x cos 2x plus cos 2k plus 1x sine 2x, okay, whole divided by sine x. Dx. Then we get integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2k plus 1x multiplied by 1 minus 2 sine square x divided by sine x this is nothing but the cos 2x 1 minus 2 sine square x plus integration 0 to pi by 2 cos 2k plus 1x multiplied by 2 sine x cos x whole divided by sine x. So this cancels out. Now integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2k plus 1x divided by sine x dx minus 2 into integration pi by 2 sine 2k plus 1x multiplied by sin x dx plus integration 0 to pi by 2 into cos 2k plus 1x cos x dx. Okay. Therefore, this results in the first portion results in pi by 2, as we already assumed that for n equals to k, the integration is equals to pi by 2. Therefore, the first portion results in pi by 2 and the next portion results in 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 cos 2kx plus 2x dx. This is nothing but the formula of cos a plus b. So we applied that formula in this integration and we get cos 2kx plus 2x. Okay. Hence, this results in 2 sine 2k plus 2x divided by 2k plus 2 0 to pi by 2, and it is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 into sine k plus 1 pi minus sine 0 divided by 2k plus 2, and this is results in pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the answer and it is the proof. So we have proved that for n equals to k plus 1, the integration is equals to pi by 2. So we can say that for n equal for k equals to n, it is also true. Okay, so we have proved this problem. So that's all for today. And we sort of self classes provide different study materials and mock test paper, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website, which is www.sorosclasses.com. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notifications. Thank you.